open up a new Google tab, go to hsd.k12.or.us bookmarks, click on My Apps, which is the ClassLink application portal. From here, you're going to click Sign in with Google. Now your My Apps page will load. It'll look different than mine because everybody's is customizable based on their role in HSD. The first thing you're going to do is go to the search bar and search for Outlook. And you're looking for Outlook Webmail. This will get you to your email. One of the features to show you about email is creating your signature. This will allow your responses to replies or forwards, and even your new emails that you create to have information already in there so you don't have to think about adding it at the end. This information should be key information about who you are and the information you want to give to the recipients of your email. So click on the gear icon in the upper right corner, and in Search Outlook Settings, type the word signature. And from here is where you're going to create your new signature. You'll go to New Signature. You need to put a name of that signature. So you might have several different ones, one for your teachers, one for a prospective job or employer. So you'll want to make sure that you name it and give it a title that you will remember what it is for. So for this one, I might type in education. This could also apply for when you, or could also work for when you're applying for colleges or other types of educational schools. Then you're going to put in there the information you want to always be in your emails. Some key pointers. You can start off by saying thank you as your ending to your email. And then make sure you include your complete full name. Here is also a good opportunity for you to put pronouns. And then the point of contact. Do you want to have your phone number in here or your email address? If it has to do with school-related things, your email address should be the thing you put in here. If it's for a prospective job or a prospective employer, maybe you're applying for a job, you might want to put your phone number in there. After you've put everything you'd like to in your signature, you do have the option to customize with the different fonts, the different font sizes, and whether you want to bold or italicize. And when it's the way you want it, you can click Save. Another point to point out is to make sure you choose the right signature to, or press Save. And then when you go in here for new messages, you want to choose the correct signature for any and all new messages. So I might want to choose the education one for all my new messages, and for my replies and forwards, it could be different ones. You do have the option to change these signatures in the actual email that you are writing, and then press Save again.